Okay, we're about to go on a car wash. Okay, a car is in front of us. Let's wait. Okay. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh my god, it's bubbles everywhere. Wow, that looks so cool. Okay, oh my god, it's our turn to do it. Ready? Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be so exciting. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, and go! Wait.
Oh, why is it automatic on?
What?
No,
Go.
turn it off.
Wait, what?
Turn it off.
Go! Wait, what?
How you turn it off?
What's happening?
Okay.
Oh my god! Look at this. Oh! Oh my god! It's so blue! Oh my god! Oh my god! I cannot see! I cannot see!
What, the back camera?
What? Back camera? Why is there the back camera?
No, I cannot see.
Ah!
Cannot see. What happened?
Whoa! It's so dark.
I know.
Ah! Oh my god!
Chips.
Ah! Oh my god.
Ah.
It's red!
Ah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's purple! It's purple!
Purple. Wow.
Ah! It's red! What is that? Yay! Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh!
Wow.
Ah! Oh my god. Why are we moving so slow? Daddy, why are we moving so slow?
We're going to a car wash.
Huh?
We're going to a car wash, so you move slowly.
Oh.
Now, time to...
Yay! And now I'm done with the car wash. Bye, guys.